Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn about how we can display this particular user form of Excel VBA on the desktop. This is the software that I have made in Excel VBA using voice command. This is one type of ATM like software. In the previous two videos we have discussed about this software. If you have not watched those two videos, please watch those two videos clicking on the I button on the right side of the video. Let's check, friends. Before proceeding further, let's check how it works. If I will directly click on OK button,
you cannot left blank amount field.
It gives a message, you cannot left blank amount field. So I will put here some amount, then I will click again.
You cannot
OK.
left blank password field.
It says cannot left password field, so I will give some password, then I will click OK again.
You cannot left blank type of account field.
You cannot left type of account field, so I will give here the type of account field is SB suppose, then I will click on OK again. This is the message that has been given to the software. If I will click on yes button,
thank you for using the bank ATM and do not forget to visit again.
This is the voice command that has been given to the software, and the contents from the text boxes have also been removed. So friends, let's start how we can give commands so that only this particular user form will be displayed on the software, and you can also use it for entering any data without opening the application or data sheet. So let's start, friends. I will click on close button. This is a close button that I have prepared. So I will right now click on close button. This is sheet 1. This is the developer tab. If the developer tab is not displaying on your Excel sheet, then go to file menu, click on file menu, then click on options, then click on customize ribbon. Then you can see here the developer tab has been tick marked. If this has not been tick marked, then tick mark it and click on OK. The developer, in this way the developer tab will get activated, and right now we will go to Visual Basic, or you can press Alt F11 on the keyboard. This is the Visual Basic. I will click here. We are working on user form 1. This is the software that was displayed on the desktop. Now I will click on close button. This is the coding given to the close button, application.visible.true, and this is the workbook. Double click on it. This is the coding that has been written for the this workbook, so that only user form 1 or user form, whatever you may name it, user form 1 will be displayed on the desktop. I am deleting it. I will write it again. Okay. Click on this workbook. Then here you can see general. This is the drop down list. You can click here and click on workbook. Here I will write application dot visible equal to false. Application will not be visible, only user form 1 dot show. User form 1 dot show. Form 1 dot show. This means when this application, that is the data sheet, would not be displayed on the desktop, only user form 1 will be displayed. If we click on close button, then what will happen? Application dot visible equal to true. If and unload me. If you click on the close button, then user form along with the data sheet will be displayed on your computer or on your computer screen. So these are the codes that have been used for making the software like ATM. These are the codes you can see. These are the codes that have been used for making this particular software. Let's check whether it works or not. First of all, debug it, compile the Viewer project, seems okay. Now we will run it. Click on run and run Userform, or you can press F5 on the keyboard. Okay, this is working perfectly.
You cannot left blank amount field.
Right now I am closing it and I will go to the desktop, then open the file again. This is the Userform 1. This has been displayed on the desktop. If I click on
You
OK,
cannot left blank amount field.
it will give a message. Will fill some amount and password and type of account. Then I will click OK. This is the message. If I
Thank you for
click on
using the
yes,
bank ATM and do not forget to visit again.
So the contents have also been removed from the text boxes. If I click on close, then we will go to the application form that we have. So the codes that we have given for this particular purpose. So thank you very much friends for watching this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.